How to free up RAM on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to clear up memory and improve performance on your Windows 11 PC. First, press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete at the same time on your keyboard. From there, click on Task Manager to open it. At this point, click on More Details at the bottom if the full view is not already showing. From there, click on the Memory column to sort apps by how much RAM they are using. After that, look for any apps using a large amount of memory that you are not actively using. In the next step, click on the app and click on End Task to close it and free up the memory it was using. From there, repeat this for any other memory-heavy apps running in the background that you do not need running constantly. Once done, go back to Settings and click on Apps, and then click on Startup. Following this, toggle off any apps that automatically launch at startup that you do not need running constantly in the background. From here, go back to Settings and click on System, and then click on Storage. At this stage, click on Temporary Files and check the boxes for items you want to clear, then click on Remove Files to free up space, which can also help with overall performance. After this, right-click on the Start button and click on Device Manager to make sure all your drivers are up to date, as outdated drivers can sometimes cause memory issues. Finally, go back to Task Manager and check the memory usage to confirm it has decreased after closing unnecessary apps and background processes. And that's it. If this guide helped you free up RAM on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.